Jai Srimannarayana, 28th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Subha subha phalairevam mokshyase karma bandhanaihi sannyasa yoga yuktatma विमुक्तो माम् उपैष्यसि. ॐ Sri Krishna Paramatma's happiness should be only objective for every of your divine Vedic and worldly activities. With that, you will be happy as long as you are in this body, and after the body you will definitely attain Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, your happiness is my only objective behind all of my activities. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogi Indra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama Krishnas are growing. When Yashoda and Rohini, when they were feeding them milk, those two children, boys, were used to move their hands and legs, and they used to give a nice smile to their mothers. When they were doing like that, mugdhasmitalpadashanam yayatuhu pramodam, when they give that kind of smile, these mothers used to see that beautiful, pleasant, smiley faces of their children, and their teeth, which were not completely came out, but those teeth used to be seen by these mothers. With all that kind of beautiful smile, these mothers used to enjoy a lot by seeing the faces of Balarama Krishna. And when they were growing, they used to catch hold the tails of the calves and run in the streets. When they were doing like that, all the girls, women in Nanda Gokulam, Prekshantya, Unghrita Gruhaha, Jakhrushuhu, Hasantyaha, all of them used to come out by leaving their activities aside, and they used to see Balarama Krishna when they were doing like that. And they used to, all these women also used to run behind Balarama Krishna. Like that, everybody used to enjoy after seeing Balarama Krishna's divine activities. తడవాడిరి బలకృష్ణులు తడవాడిరి వారి చూసి రంభాదుల్ తడవాడిరి అరులు భయమునన్ తడవాడిరి మంతనములన్ తపసులు వేడ్కన్. When Balarama Krishna were dancing and running here and there in the streets, all the Rambha and other Apsarasas in the sky, they used to dance very happily. When Balarama Krishna are dancing and playing in Nandavrajam, all the bad people in the entire world used to get scared. And when Balarama Krishnas are playing in Nandavrajam, all the great Maharshis used to think that yes, now it is time that Loka Kalyanam is going to happen, some great welfare is going to happen to this entire world. Like that, all the Maharshis used to chit-chat about Balarama Krishna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 28th sloka. Subha subha phalairevam mokshyase karma bandhanaihi sannyasa yoga yuktatma vimukto mam vupaishyasi. Subha subha phalairevam mokshyase karma bandhanaihi sannyasa yoga yuktatma vimukto mam vupaishyasi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.